Have you ever walked into your kitchen or bathroom late at night, switched on the light, and suddenly noticed a water bug sitting inside the sink? Many people wonder why they only see water bugs in the sink at night and not during the day. The surprising truth is that these insects are often active around your home all the time. Night simply makes them feel safe enough to come out. Let's understand where these bugs are coming from, why your sink attracts them, and what you can do to stop them from returning. Before solving the problem, it helps to know what you are looking at. Many insects commonly called water bugs are actually large cockroach species that prefer damp environments. They are attracted to moisture, darkness, and hidden spaces where they can survive without being disturbed. That is why sinks, drains, and plumbing areas often become their favorite hiding spots. The biggest reason you notice water bugs in sinks at night is their natural behavior. Most water bugs are nocturnal. They spend daylight hours hiding behind cabinets, under appliances, inside wall voids, or near plumbing lines. When the house becomes quiet and dark, they leave their hiding places to search for three things: water, food, residue, shelter. Your sink provides all three. Even a few drops of standing water can attract them. One of the most common questions is, are water bugs coming from the sink drain itself? Sometimes yes. Drain pipes stay moist almost all the time. Food particles, grease, soap residue, and organic buildup can collect inside the pipe. This creates a perfect environment for insects to explore. While many water bugs do not actually live inside the drain, they often travel through drain systems and emerge through sink openings. This is especially common at night when there is less water flowing through the pipes. Another major reason for recurring water bugs is hidden moisture. Look underneath your sink. A tiny leak that seems harmless to you can become a reliable water source for insects. Water bugs can survive for long periods if they have access to moisture. That is why homes with leaking pipes often experience repeated sightings. Even condensation around plumbing can contribute to the problem. If your kitchen sink seems to attract more bugs than your bathroom sink, there is a simple reason. The kitchen provides food. Tiny food particles left on dishes, grease deposits, fruit scraps, and crumbs washed into the drain can become attractive food sources. At night, when the kitchen is quiet, water bugs can safely explore these areas. This is why cleaning the sink before bedtime often makes a noticeable difference. Seeing a single water bug occasionally may not indicate a serious infestation. However, pay attention if you notice water bugs several nights in a row, bugs appearing in multiple sinks, droppings near plumbing areas, musty odors under cabinets, frequent sightings after midnight. These signs suggest that moisture and shelter conditions are allowing the insects to stay nearby. Now let's talk about practical solutions. First, clean the sink thoroughly before going to bed. Remove food residue and standing water. Second, inspect pipes for leaks. Fix even small drips because insects only need a little moisture to survive. Third, clean the drain regularly to remove buildup. Fourth, seal gaps around plumbing where pipes enter walls. These openings often serve as hidden entry routes. Finally, keep areas under the sink dry and clutter-free. The fewer hiding places available, the less attractive the area becomes. Many homeowners focus only on the sink itself. But the sink is often the place where the bug is seen, not where it started. Water bugs frequently enter through gaps around utility pipes, foundation cracks, damaged door seals, utility openings, exterior wall gaps. If these entry points remain open, new insects can continue entering even after the sink is cleaned. If you keep finding water bugs in sink at night, the problem is usually connected to moisture, food residue, hidden leaks, or nearby entry points. The good news is that once you identify the source, the problem becomes much easier to control. Focus on reducing moisture, cleaning drains, fixing leaks, and sealing entry gaps. Small changes in these areas can dramatically reduce nighttime bug activity. If you've ever spotted water bugs in your sink at night, share your experience in the comments. Your observation may help someone else solve the same problem.